Hi everyone, let's go to one more video in our Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show you this 1966 Oldsmobile 442 Cutlass. So let's unbox it and take a better look. But before I do that, please don't forget to share my video, to give me your like, and to subscribe my channel. Let's go on. So once we unbox the car, we can take a better look at it. This car is made in a very light blue. It kind of looks like silver, but it's actually a blue color, and it's really fantastic, just like the other Highway 61 cars. I really like those wheels and tires. I like them all on all American cars at this time. As we can see, the Oldsmobile logo, the rocket, right here in the center, the wheel center, all screws and details we can find in those wheels, as well as the tires with the red stripe that look very good in this car. This little air intake that also reminds us of a rocket or any sort of theme like that. As we can look here, we can see the door panels, the door locks, trim around the windows. This car is a coupe, it's not a hardtop. The vinyl top is very well made as well as the trim in the rear window. As we can recognize, this body is about the same one we find in the Pontiac, in the 1966 Pontiac GTO. Well, there's no coincidence since they are both GM. Well, there's a 442, as we know, the Oldsmobile Cutlass 442. 442 stands for the 4-barrel carburetor, 4 on the floor, and the dual exhaust. Rear of this car looks very good. It's all square, straight lines, and just the way I like. And the trunk lid features the Olds badge, the Oldsmobile logo, along with this chrome and black trim. It goes all the way. Very nice looking tail lights, dual exhaust, as well as a rear bumper and reverse lights. Let's open the trunk lid and take a look. The hinges are very well made, as well as factory stickers, spare tire, and a battery, which is here in the trunk. Even the mat was made and very well made. This car really looks terrific. Let's take a look at the inside. Just opening the door, we can see more factory stickers, door panels, which are very well made. Vent windows actually open and close. So there's a glove compartment and the antenna that moves up and down. As we can see, it's all made in carpet. We have a central console with a lid that can be open and closed. And the pedals we can see better from the driver's door, the 2-spoke steering wheel, and dashboard that looks terrific. Headliners all in black, so we cannot see so well with this light. Trim is very well made, as well as the windshield wipers. These chromes here are not exactly separate pieces, but they are sort of a sticker, decal, made in chrome. But it's really well made, and it really does its job very well. The air intake right here, and the front. In the front we can see this very nice and charming Oldsmobile front with the very realistic headlights, the 442 badge and the Olds badge, and a very realistic grille as well. You can see it's a grille as we take this brush and stick it in here. You can see it through. The engine bay is really perfect in all details, as we can see, and the engine itself, it's very well made with all details, cables, pipes, and even the hinges here, and all wiring to find a firewall, brake system. Everything here is made very well made and very well taken care of. See the driver's side. Well, you can see the pedals right there. Is an automatic car. A 2-spoke steering wheel that steers the wheel, that's actually, and the gauges, the buttons, knobs, and all details, as well as door panels. This car is really something. I like it a lot. Well, the bottom of the car, we can see the chassis. That's made in a different color of body. This is not a unibody car. The front and rear suspensions made with all details with springs. They actually work. Drive shaft turns as we turn the rear wheels, just like happens in the other Highway 61 cars. The mufflers are perfect with the dual exhaust. Gas tank, which is huge. Shocks, engine and tranny were done with very carefully. And the steering system, this car steers as we turn the steering wheel left and right. Well, so this is a very nice model to have in an American car collection, and it's a classic from the 60s. Soon I'm gonna show you a 1967 Olds, and we can compare. So I thank you for all views, likes, comments, and for sharing this video. Please don't forget to share it, leave a like, your comments, and to subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.